Day 1, April 2, 2026. I donated everything I have. It was like 1685 taka. Now I have nothing. I emptied my pocket because I decided to start everything from zero. Now I am here standing with nothing from zero. So from today, I am going to start to build my path to financial freedom. Dear future me, I hope you remember this moment when everything started from nothing. Let's see how far we can go.